Can HVAC systems improve indoor air quality? Yes, a well-maintained heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system can improve indoor air quality by filtering particles, controlling moisture, and bringing in cleaner outdoor air. Air filters catch dust, pollen, pet hair, and some tiny particles before they move through your home. A filter with a higher minimum efficiency reporting value rating usually catches more particles, but your system must be strong enough to handle it without reducing airflow. Replacing the filter on the schedule listed by the manufacturer is important because a dirty filter can make the system work harder and can release trapped dust. Ventilation also matters because it removes stale air, odors, and some indoor pollutants, then replaces them with outdoor air. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems can lower excess humidity, which helps discourage mold and dust mites, but they cannot fix a water leak or serious mold problem by themselves. An interesting fact is that indoor air can sometimes contain more pollution than outdoor air because cleaning products, cooking, furniture, and hobbies release chemicals into a closed space. For better results, use kitchen and bathroom exhaust fans, keep supply vents open, and ask a qualified technician to inspect ducts, drainage, and airflow. If someone in your home has asthma or allergies, track when symptoms occur and discuss the pattern with a medical professional and a heating and cooling specialist. One common mistake is choosing the thickest or highest rated filter without checking whether the system can handle it, so follow the equipment instructions or ask a technician first. Another mistake is assuming air cleaners make regular cleaning unnecessary, so still vacuum, control dust, and repair leaks quickly. People also sometimes close many vents to save energy, but that can reduce airflow and strain the equipment, so keep vents open unless a professional gives different advice. Finally, be careful with ozone-producing air cleaners because ozone can irritate the lungs. Choose a properly tested particle filter or ultraviolet system installed by a qualified professional instead. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.